Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the GPU driver and tools are up to date, because experimental flags depend on specific builds. Once done, run GeForce Experience or Nvidia Control Panel as administrator so changes stick. You then enable developer mode in Windows if the guide requires it. That broadens access to advanced settings. Make sure to record your current driver version and any custom profiles before changing flags, since you may need to revert to a known good state later. You now navigate to the experimental or developer section. This is where Nvidia exposes flags. Once there, toggle a single feature at a time so you can isolate effects. Apply and test after each change. If available, use command line tools like NVIDIA SMI or NVCPL to make persistent toggles and to script repeatable setups. Also, verify that any kernel modules or optional SDK components load correctly. If they fail, the experimental feature, often silently, does nothing. You finish by validating functionality with benchmarks or the specific workloads the feature targets, because correct behavior is the point. Once satisfied, persist settings through the control utilities or startup scripts so they survive reboots. Make sure to update drivers cautiously, and be ready to roll back to the recorded driver if instability appears. If something goes wrong, gather logs, revert the last flag you changed, and reproduce the issue to pinpoint the cause before reapplying other experiments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.